buddies, welcome back to my channel. And if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Akshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare as well as nail art tutorials and cooking videos in this channel. So after you're done watching this video and few of my other videos which I have already put the link down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon, do consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy watching my content, and also do share this video with your friends and family, as well as give this video a big thumbs up from your end to motivate me to make such more videos for you guys. And also do let me know in the comment section if you have any feedback that you want to share with me or any suggestion for my future videos. So that's being said, now let's talk about today's video. What today we are going to do is I am going to share my honest review of this product over here, which is the Votre Botanical Day Gel Cream with SPF 35 and PA++. So this is the product I am going to review in this video for you guys. So if this sounds interesting and you want to know how this product fares on me, and if you want to purchase this for yourself by spending your money in this product or not in future, do consider watching the video till the end, because I'll share all my thoughts and honest opinion for this particular product. So yes, that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly let's get into the review. So without any further ado, let's start with today's review and today's product. So today I'm going to review this product over here. So in this particular review I have divided in few parts. First I'll talk about the packaging. Now let's come to the packaging. It comes in a plastic jar like this with a screw cap. Okay, and yes, this is a 30 ml product that you're getting. So let's come to the quantity. The glass, this particular plastic jar is has 30 ml quantity of the gel cream inside it. And let's talk about the price point. It retails for 810 rupees and you get a shelf life for around 2 years, not 3 years in this particular product. So yes, so this particular product, let me first talk about a little bit description, what the brand claims about this particular product. So it's from Votre. I really hope I am pronouncing it right. If I'm not, please excuse me. So it is their Botanical Day Gel Cream with SPF 35 and PA++, which is mineral enriched. Okay, so they have given key ingredients, which is actually a negative point from my end. So throughout the review I will give certain negative point and certain positive points. So first positive point, okay, let's not talk about the first positive point. Let me first talk about the negative point that I just found. That is they have just given the key ingredients on the packaging, which is OMC, chamomile, blackberry, strawberry, green tea, pomegranate, tomato, fig, licorice and base. They just mentioned base. We all know these are the ingredients and these are the key ingredients that they have put inside. But obviously I think as a consumer we deserve to know whatever is there inside of the product and what is going on our face, because there are, even I have used it and my skin have not reacted to this product in a bad manner, but there are people who actually have sensitive skin and they are allergic to few of the specific ingredients, and it's actually better and intelligent for them to go ahead and find out first what is going inside their products and what they are putting on their face. So talking about that, I give this a minus point because they haven't mentioned the whole ingredient list. Now talking about the SPF, I really love the fact that they have put in this day cream, they have put the SPF 35 plus PA++, which will make sure your skin is protected in the sunlight from UVA and UVB rays. By the way guys, one more thing, talking about sunlight, you have to apply a good sunscreen or a product with good SPF in it whenever, during the daytime. Doesn't matter you are going out or not, if this is a gloomy weather or it's a rainy weather or it's a sunny one. It is a must that you apply a sunscreen or a product like this, which actually has at least of 30 plus SPF in it, with PA++ or triple++, with which actually it's balanced with the SPF number itself. So yeah, that's what. So let's talk about the consistency of the product. It says that it's a Botanical Day gel cream. So I actually, agree with them. So I have given up one negative and one positive to them. Talking about the consistency, I will give a positive point to them because I really love the consistency. You all must be knowing, if you are following me for a while, that I have a combination skin. And talking about my skin, doesn't matter if my cheeks are a little bit on the drier end during winters, because this product I have used not during winters, actually during summer as well as monsoon. So I have already finished the one product up and I have another product as a backup. So it's almost finished, as you can see over here. So that's why I'm reviewing it, because this is the bottle I have almost finished. So I have my thoughts clear that yes, because it's skincare, guys, let's be real. Skincare is not a magic. It will not show you results in a day or two like that. It doesn't matter whatever all the brands and show in their ads and they claim. But the honestly, the thing is that the skincare will take time. Even though it's a miraculous product, it will take its sweet time to show some visible result on your skin. So talking about the consistency, I really love the consistency because it get absorbed into your skin like magic, and it doesn't leave a residue. I don't like products which leaves residue, and I don't like products that feels that that make you feel that you have applied something whenever you touch your skin or your face after you apply them. This doesn't do that. And talking about, it has SPF 35. Most of the days, whenever I'm indoors, at least I feel safe about my skin that I can actually skip sunscreen, even though I have forgotten to use sunscreen and I have just applied my day cream, that my skin is protected because I have used this up. This actually works. This product has not I haven't got any breakouts because of this. And even on my acne prone skin, because I know that my skin is actually not going through the good phase of the good phase that's of the year, because I have fallen ill very seriously, and with the heavy medication, I don't know, because of the sickness or because of the medication, my skin has actually reacted pretty badly to it, and it has those tiny bumps and small acne and whiteheads, which it never used to have. Like, it used to have way back, but my skin was actually behaving pretty good this throughout the year, but now it's not. So talking about this particular product, even though my skin is not reacting in a good manner, I have used this product up, and this product is actually have not broken me out even more. Like, it has, obviously it doesn't have any anti-acne claim or something like that, but because of the fact it is a gel consistency and being a lightweight product, it has absorbed onto the skin. It has done its work. It has moisturized my skin. It has kept my skin nourished, at least not greasy but nourished, with the required hydration for the skin. It has provided my skin that, and also it has protected my skin from the harmful sun rays. And yes, so that's a really good plus. And this product is actually a unisex product. So all the guys out there, if you are looking for a day cream which actually has sunscreen in it, because I know most of the sunscreen or the day creams that you have which has SPF in it are very harsh on the skin, because it's meant for men. It has to, it's meant to be harsh or something. I don't know how they formulate those products, but it is, most of the time it is harsh on the skin. If you are not looking for something like that, and your skin is a little bit more on the sensitive end, and you are actually looking for something a little bit on the natural and mineral type, mineral way, so you can actually grab this one. I know, talking about the price, it is a negative point for some people, but if I will tell you, skincare, I think even more than makeup, skincare is an investment. So if your skin is good and if it's looking good, half of the battle is already won. So you don't have to spend your bucks and your thousands of rupees on your expensive foundation and expensive concealer to conceal your skin or the blemishes on the imperfection. If you're taking care of your skin from inside by taking care of your diet and taking all the things which are necessary to take care of your skin, drinking plenty of water and everything, you already know those jazz, and also taking care of your skin from outside, like all doing a facial routine at least once a week whenever you have time, or twice a week if you have time to spare, or anyway doing the cleansing, toning, moisturizing every day with a good quality product whatever suits your skin. So I think these are the small steps you can actually take to take care of your skin. And talking about this product, guys, I will tell you, I know this 810 rupees for a small product like this for 30 ml, it's quite a lot for some people, but obviously affordability is something which is relative. It is different for different people. But I will tell you honest my as my honest opinion, I have already finished this one up and I have purchased it another, like my second bottle. So that says a lot. I have invested my money for the second time in a product, so it says a lot that I have a trust on this product. It has worked for me and I do recommend it for you guys. So just to sum it up, guys, I will tell you, if you have the money to splurge on your skincare routine, I will tell you, go ahead and grab this one. It's actually a very good quality day cream with a solid SPF. I do recommend it. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really hope you have enjoyed watching the review and this review was really helpful for you. And if it was, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up from your end, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I know there are more than 65% of people who actually watch my videos but they are not subscribed to my channel. I really don't understand why. So yes, go ahead and subscribe to the channel by hitting on the red subscribe button, make that button grey, and also there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And yes, you can follow me in my other social medias. I have already put the links down below in the bottom bar. And also do share this video with your friends and family and do spread the word, because my channel is very new and very small, and with the help of you guys only, we all as a family can grow together. And yes, I really hope that you also want the same for me. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, I hope you all are staying safe and taking care of yourself. Bye bye.